Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see what is URL shortener. So simply I can say that nowadays the URL it seems to be the bigger one, and people unable to trace the URL which can help to find the content about the internet. For basically the on their own most URL long widely, and when you add parameters and track things like website on the website, people cannot trace down. Earlier Google URL shortener was simple and free way to shorten them, something more manageable, but it was stuck down back in 2019. The good news is nowadays the plenty of URL shortener is there, and moreover you can earn from the URL shortener on the you know other section. There are seven URL shortener is there. So I'll show you today what are the seven best URL shortener is available in the market. You can go through and you can review over the internet, and you can choose based on your planning. So I'm just going to show you on the URL shortener. So first thing we are going to see the bit.ly.com. Bit.ly.com is the one of the leading one, and it's a enormous option. So you can filter over there. You can choose the URL, and you can get the link free, up to 5 link. I think it's free of cost. So you can use bit.ly .com, and you can log in and you can sign up for free. Sometimes you can go through over there, and this is a best URL shortener in the market. And second we can see the rebrandly.com, and moreover this is come over from the bit.ly.com. It's a another leading URL shortener from the market. So what I'll do, I'll give you the best 7 URL shortener on the description. You can click on the URL and you can go through all the URL, and you can choose best of yours. So here rebrandly.com also available, and the next thing dub.co. So this is the newcomer of the market. You can use this URL shortener link, and it's a more powerful one again. And the fourth one it's a tiny URL in the market. Many of the places you can see over the tinyurl.com. Tinyurl.com it helps you to the same. We can use everything on the URL, the simplified solution. And the fifth one be a link, so you can go through the all the products they have for the URL products. And I think hope it's suit for your things. And the last one short.io is the best, the another one. And you can go ahead and you can do through the all the URL shortener, and you will get the best options, and you can find over there. So there are certain things are there on this all seven. And you can utilize the bit.ly.com. It's a best for overall solution. It's a free plan also available. I think 5 to 10 URL you can shortener on the this bit.ly.com. So it start with the pricing, I think $35 per month. So if I'm not wrong, it's annually, and you can choose yeah, so $35 per month for the bit.ly.com. And there are variety of 500 links month, and 10 QR codes per month, 5 custom landing pages you can create, and branded links, and 4 months click and scan data. And it's a bigger plan, like $300, and you can use 200 QR. So it's based on requirement which you have. You can go ahead and you can go through the bit.ly.com, whichever you can shoot on the your sector. And next rebrandly, it's a bit alternative one, and it's a 10 links. We can around 100 links tracked over the internet. This pricing also is, it's quite, comparatively bitly, it's a lesser amounts. You can see the monthly, it's a $9 per month, and so you can, go ahead with the professional one, and you can use 1500 branded links in month, and growth and enterprises. There are say how much plans also available rebrandly.com. And if you go to the dub, here also, pricing, it's, it's a free of cost is, the plan is available 25 links month and 1k tracked, and 3 custom domains you can track over there. So you can see the $19 per month and $49 per month for this section. And tiny URL, this plan seems to be quite, higher than that. Dub.co, you can see the pro and bulk enterprise plan, and QR code also, like, you can generate over the plans. And be a link also, there is a pricing is available, so you can go through and you can choose widely, which is the best option to come over these, based on your plan. So, and short IO, it's quite, seems to be, it's showing on the INR. Let me change USD. Yeah, so $5 and pro $18 team, and $48, and enterprise $148. So these are, best 7 URL shortener in the market, which I can give you on the description, and you can go through and you can find the best suits for you. And hope this video likes you. Please do subscribe and support us.